We've all been there. A formula gone wrong, a misplaced decimal, a historical Excel file riddled with errors that haunt your reports. But here's the truth, you don't need to fear your past data. You can forgive it 10, fix it. Hi everyone, welcome to this channel where you'll always find practical advice for your everyday work challenges. And today we're diving into a topic close to all of our hearts, how to forgive past data errors in Excel. Now, these errors aren't just technical mistakes, they're often the result of rushed inputs, broken formulas, or outdated assumptions that held us back then but don't define our current limitations. And guess what? It's never too late to set things right. In this video, we'll explore 4 practical techniques to help you clean up your historical data, starting with a simple yet powerful trick. First, use Go to Special to find errors. Head over to Home, greater than Find, and select greater than Go to Special. Here, under Formulas, check the box next to Errors and hit OK. Excel will instantly highlight all the cells containing errors. Simply press Delete and watch them vanish. Second, apply IFERROR or IFNA functions. For a more robust solution, apply the IFERROR function. Let's take this example. Equals if error A1 B1, fix needed. This formula checks if the division of a 1 by B1 produces an error. If it does, it returns the text fix needed. Otherwise, it returns the result of the division. Third, recover previous versions. Excel has a built-in version history feature. Go to File greater than Info greater than Version History. You'll see a list of saved versions. Simply restore a version from before the errors crept in. Fourth, retain last good value on error. Use iterative calculation or helper cells to retain the last good value. In this example, equals if I0 1, B1, say uno, A1 and B, uno. If A1 divided by B1 produces an error, it returns a value from cell C1. Otherwise, it returns the result of the division. And there you have it. Whether your historical data is hiding behind error messages or outdated formats, you now have the tools to forgive and fix it. Remember, it's not just about fixing cells. It's about restoring trust in your work. It's about learning, improving, and building spreadsheets that serve you, not sabotage you. So take a deep breath, open that messy file, and start fresh with clarity, control, and confidence. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free, helps me grow, and lets you stay updated with my latest tips and tricks. And hey, if this video gave you some Excel superpowers, share it with a friend who needs a little Excel forgiveness. Until next time, happy forgiving and keep those errors at bay.